sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw by the title of this video, it is a prawn creamy pasta, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's get into it. So sweeties, if you haven't already seen my previous video, I will put it in the cards right now or link it down below. It is the pasta side of like a thickening. Basically, like, I made this pasta at home because at that moment in time I didn't have pasta in the house, any sort of pasta like whatsoever, and I really wanted like a prawn pasta. I didn't want like prawns and chips or like prawns and wedges and stuff like that. So yeah, if you haven't seen it, just click the link down below. This video, I'm just gonna show you guys the meat part of the dish. Prawns, guys, diabeha like very fast. Like, I was very scared of cooking seafood at some point. Like, I was just like, I don't want to go there. Like, I struggled so much fishy, guys. Like,
the skin would like stick to the pan, and like, yo, like guys, it was just messed up. Like, everything was messed up, you guys.
I pushed through the pain and I got through it. If you guys do want to see a video of how I cook fish and make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely film that for you guys. Let's get into the cooking part of this video. So sweeties, thank you so much for watching. Road to 100 subbies. Oh, what are you saying? What is the girl saying?
I mean, baby girl. Baby.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Get your family to subscribe. Your moms, your sisters, and everybody else that you know. Please don't forget to like this video, guys. Please like the video. Like, don't just watch this video. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button. Those two things are like free. Guys, like, see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, sweeties.